Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sada Behar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you poem number 5, the ball poem written by John Berryman. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Poem 5, the ball poem by John Berryman. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over. There it is in water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his wall bent. I would not intrude on him. A dime, another wall is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning, well behind his desperate eyes, the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Now let's come to the explanation. In this poem, the poet John Berryman had described the reality of life that everyone has to face one day. He has also described how to stand up against loss of anything that we love most. He had described the whole poem in 3 parts. First one, reaction of the boy against the lost ball. Second, first time the boy senses responsibility. Third, the boy learns how to stand up against the lost thing. In first part, poet describes what the boy will do who has lost his ball. The poet has seen the ball going merrily jumping up and down into the street. Later then it falls into the water or nearby river. In second part, poet describes that there is no use of consoling the boy by saying that he will get another ball. The boy is completely sad because all the memories of the childhood went down the harbor with the wall. The ball reminds him those sweet memories of times when he owned it. The poet says that he can't say the boy to buy another ball from some money because new ball will not bring back his memories. He says that now the boy has to learn or has learned the sense of responsibility, that is how to care or handle his things properly. In third part, poet says that the boy has to learn that in this materialistic world, things will be owned and things will be lost. So he has to learn, live without them, no matter what they are or they will be. According to poet, money can't buy you everything. It will buy only things, but not owning. So the boy has to learn how to stand up against the sense of lost things. This is the final truth, that everyone has to bear the miseries and sorrows of life. Finally, I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts along with the question answers to score 4 out of 4 marks.